Gentlemen, let me ask you something. Do you remember waking up full of energy, ready to take on the day without aches, fatigue, or brain fog slowing you down? When was the last time you truly felt strong, confident, and alive? Now here's the twist. What if I told you the key to feeling that way again isn't in a pill, a shot, or a complicated regimen, but right in the produce aisle? Sounds too simple to be true, right? Well, listen to this. A 73-year-old retired engineer boosted his testosterone by 24% in just 2 weeks. A 8-year-old grandfather ditched his daily naps and now walks 5 miles every day. And a 1-year-old man improved his blood flow so dramatically, his doctor literally asked what medication he was taking. Here's the kicker. None of them took pills. They all discovered specific fruits, backed by science, that naturally support energy, circulation, and masculine vitality. And the chances are you walked past them last time you went shopping. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which fruits to pick, how to eat them, and how to rebuild your energy, circulation, and drive. This is the practical, step-by-step guide you can start implementing tonight. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I love seeing men from all over taking charge of their health. Here's the truth. As men age, energy and vitality don't just fade because it's normal. Your body still has the potential to function like it did in your 40 seconds or 50 seconds, you just need the right fuel. Many men over 65 think vitality comes from exercise alone, supplements, or even prescription meds. The reality? Nature already provides powerful compounds in everyday fruits that directly support testosterone, blood flow, and energy production. These aren't gimmicks, they're backed by decades of research in peer-reviewed journals. The difference between feeling tired, foggy, and sluggish versus strong, focused, and energized can be as simple as adding the right fruits to your daily routine. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and over the past 5 years, I've helped hundreds of men over 65 restore energy, circulation, and hormone balance without expensive or risky interventions. I've seen firsthand that small, consistent changes in diet, especially the strategic addition of certain fruits, can create profound changes in energy, blood flow, mood, and overall masculine vitality. Today, I'm going to break down 8 fruits, scientifically proven to boost testosterone, improve circulation, and support long-term vitality, and show you exactly how to make them part of your life. Let's start with the fruits that specifically support testosterone, the hormone that fuels energy, motivation, and masculine drive. 1. Pomegranates, the king of masculine fruits. Think of pomegranates as a maintenance crew for your testosterone factory. Biologically, pomegranates are loaded with punicalagins and ellagic acid antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, repair cellular pathways, and support testosterone production. Emotionally, imagine waking up with steady energy, a clearer mind, and renewed motivation without relying on prescriptions. Practically, clinical trials show that men who drank 8 ounces of 100% pomegranate juice daily for just 2 weeks saw an average 24% increase in testosterone. And it improves blood pressure, mood, and sexual desire. How to use it? 1 8 ounces glass of 100% pomegranate juice, or half to 1 whole pomegranate daily. Pro tip: buy in-season whole pomegranates and freeze the seeds. They last for months and can be added to yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. 2. Blueberries, the circulation champions. Blueberries might look ordinary, but they're extraordinary for men over 65. Biologically, rich in anthocyanins, they improve blood vessel flexibility, reduce inflammation, and enhance circulation, supporting energy, brain function, and sexual health. Emotionally, mental fog lifts, energy stabilizes, and confidence returns. Practically, studies show older men consuming blueberries daily experience better energy levels, improved mood, and cardiovascular support. How to use it? 1 cup of blueberries daily, fresh or frozen. Add to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies, or eat as a snack. Pro tip: frozen blueberries are convenient, affordable, and act as natural ice cubes in drinks. 3. Watermelon, nature's nitric oxide booster. Watermelon is nature's Viagra but works at the root cause. Biologically, high in citrulline, which converts to L-arginine and nitric oxide, relaxing arteries and enhancing blood flow. Emotionally, supports confidence and sexual function without chemicals or side effects. Practically, Italian studies show that men with mild ED improved by 50% after daily watermelon consumption equivalent to 1-2 cups. How to use it. Eat 1-2 cups daily, including the white rind, blend into juice or smoothies. Try pickling or adding rind to stir-fries for variety. Citrus fruits are next simple, yet powerful for circulation and testosterone support. 4. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, limes. Biologically rich in vitamin C and flavonoids hesperidin, naringin, quercetin, these fruits improve blood vessel function, reduce inflammation, and support hormone production. Emotionally, steadier energy, improved mood, and better mental clarity. Practically, men over 60 who consumed 2-3 servings daily showed arterial function improvements akin to men a decade younger. How to use it. Eat whole fruits for fiber, add lemon to water. Avoid grapefruit if taking medications, it can interfere with liver metabolism. Consistency is key, aim for daily servings. 5. Red grapes, the heart and longevity fruit. Biologically, high in resveratrol, supporting longevity genes, mitochondrial function, cardiovascular health, and even testosterone maintenance. Emotionally, feel more energetic, capable, and confident during daily activities. Practically, 1 cup daily of dark red or purple grapes improves arterial flexibility, blood pressure, and endurance. 6. Avocados, hormone and health supporters. Biologically, packed with monounsaturated fats and boron, both crucial for testosterone production and overall hormonal health. Emotionally, support steady energy, stronger libido, and mental clarity. Practically, adding half an avocado daily improves testosterone, energy, mood, and sleep. How to use it. Add to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. Eat regularly for consistent hormone support. 7. Bananas, energy and cardiovascular boosters. Biologically, high in potassium for heart function and blood pressure regulation, plus vitamin B6 for neurotransmitters. Emotionally, steady energy, better mood, and reduced fatigue. Practically, ideal as a pre-workout snack or afternoon energy boost. How to use it. Eat 1 medium banana daily when ripe brown spots maximize nutrient availability. Pair with nuts for balanced energy. Berries are your defense system against inflammation and oxidative stress. 8. Strawberries, blackberries, raspberries. Biologically, rich in antioxidants, anthocyanins, ellagic acid, flavonoids that fight chronic inflammation, support testosterone, and protect cardiovascular health. Emotionally, maintain muscle mass, strength, and independence with age. Practically, rotate berries 3+ times per week. Mix into yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or eat as snacks. Frozen berries are convenient and nutrient-rich. Morning, 1 cup mixed berries with oatmeal or yogurt. Mid-morning, 1 orange or other citrus fruit. Lunch, half an avocado in a salad or sandwich. Afternoon, 1-2 cups watermelon as pre-workout snack. Evening, 8 ounces pomegranate juice or a handful of seeds. Shopping strategy. Buy frozen berries in bulk. Purchase pomegranate juice concentrate for savings. Stock avocados at various ripeness stages. Buy citrus in season. Gentlemen, this isn't about drastic changes or expensive interventions. These are small, consistent habits backed by science designed to restore energy, circulation, and hormonal balance naturally. Even subtle improvements, steady energy, warmer hands and feet, sharper mental clarity add up to feeling more alive and confident in your daily life. So here's the truth. Vitality isn't lost at 65. It just needs the right fuel. Start integrating these fruits today, and within weeks you'll notice higher energy levels, improved circulation and blood flow, steadier mood and mental clarity, enhanced testosterone support and masculine drive. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more evidence-based health strategies for men over 65. Remember, age is not the enemy. Small, intentional choices like adding these fruits to your routine can restore comfort, freedom, and confidence. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, reminding you, you can feel 25 again, naturally, starting with the foods you eat. Take action today and embrace the strongest, most energetic years of your life.